So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to smart crop an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up for this demonstration, I will just add a photo right here of what's a good example. A bunch of different dogs right here. How about a dog that is on a little surfboard? That is perfect. Now, if you want to smart crop it, the simplest way to do it is to press on the image right here and actually double tap on the image to open up this crop option on the left hand side. Now if you just hover over top and press on smart crop right here, what it's going to do is analyze the photo and actually give you guys a suggestion on maybe some of the wasted space or whatever in regards to cropping. Once that is done, press on done. Now the photo is smart cropped. If you want to add it back, simply just double tap again, make it back to normal, press on done, and there you go. So once again, double tap on the image, open up the crop screen, press on smart crop right here, then press on done. Now the photo is smart crop. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to smart crop an image or a photo, I guess, here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.